Hi everybody, this is Excel Fly with ExTool. In this tutorial, we try to show how to get help or demo within Excel very fast using ExTool. So what kind of problem we try to solve here? Particularly for new user of Excel, that oftentimes they potentially get lost between the ribbons, menus, and built-in functions of Excel. Yet they are usually under the gun to get something done. Oftentimes they would think, wouldn't be that nice if somebody could show me a demo, whenever I have particular function or menu to use, yet I just don't know how to use it. So for that, ExTool can help. Like always, it's always one button access to get those help. Those information can be further customized, archived, and be able to access later on for yourself. And all of these help information and demo examples are archived within the ExTool cloud library so that you can access anywhere with internet. Let's dive into the example. In this case, let's start with Excel built-in function. In this case, for people who don't know, there's a formula for 2013 that has a function library. Excel has offered about 300 plus functions within Excel that you can use. For instance, that you use equal, concatenate in this case, which is a function to put multiple texts together. And if I don't know how to use it, I can go to the help and read the menu and turn around implement it. But in this case, I just quickly demo how to access it from ExTool. You cannot hit enter right now because Excel will prevent you to exit the cell because it sees that the function is not fully implemented. So you need to get rid of the last character and then hit enter. Obviously, you didn't provide parameter. Excel doesn't know how to calculate, but you can use Shift right ExTool and it will load it from cloud concatenate function help with demo examples. There are about 100 some examples prepared and contributed by Peter Nalani from UK, and this is one of them. And this is sort of nicely shaped demo for how to use concatenate function. That this is a concatenate function of these two cells, and on the right hand is a cell shows you exactly the same equation, but change them into text so that you know the input and the effect of it. And there are other tips and syntax and so on and so forth information that prepared. You can also, if you know a certain function, you don't have to go through that. In this case, if I know max and I just want to get help for this max function within Excel, Shift ExTool, it works the same. Suppose we go back to concatenate function and we have been using it and know more about it. For our particular use, we need to customize it and record our specific information for myself or for my peer user. So let's say in this demo, I'm just trying to write something indicating of customized information. Let's say customized information input here. And I will choose an empty cell, use ExTool, and we can search the function to add an entry to the local library, hit ExTool. We can leave as is. It will use this as an entry for the customized information later on. But in this case, we just delete so that next time we try to get help about this function, it will get customized information for myself instead of the information from the library. Let's say customized information for concatenate function. Hit ExTool and it's archived to my local library. So let me close this particular file, and for this concatenate function, I need to later access the help information. Shift ExTool. See, the information that we just wrote here is pulled out together with this help. So this gives you an idea for a particular help, how to access from a cloud library, customize it, archive it, and access it later. The same thing can go for the Excel ribbons that it offer a menu and sub-menu. Sometimes you need help with that. We are in process to get those libraries set up, but I'm just gonna quickly demo one of them. Let's say for this clipboard format painter, you may need some particular help or tips for that. For instance, if you hit the format painter, you can paint it from one cell to another, right? But it also works if you double click and you can format multiple cells. So let's say if you don't know this information, and you select this particular clipboard underscore format painter, and it will get the help information about this particular menu from the library. You don't have to remember all of this, so you can search from library. Let's say in this case you can load the search utility sheet, and you can search for the function. It tells you many functions you can get in terms of help. Then you can pick one of them to get the particular help. Should you don't know how to call these help, in this case you want to get the help about clipboard. So the clipboard format pen is shown here, the same as here. So this quickly demo how to get those help, and you can play around with any kind of function within Excel. It may not be available. If you can tell us you need this particular information, we will prepare it. And if you are willing to contribute what you have to this library, we'll appreciate that. And this concludes how to quickly get help or demo within Excel using ExTool. Thanks for watching.